When I was in school, I felt like shopping for notebooks and planners was an exciting, fun, and yet stressful experience. There's so many to choose from, and I never found one to do it all. So if you're looking for simpler options, be sure to keep watching as I share 16 binder refills for students, and let's get started.
So FYI, all of these binder refills came from Mochi Things, and you're either going to need your A5 6-ring binder or your A6 wide ring binder. So first up are these clear A5 index tabs, which I think are great if you want to divide up your different classes. And they come in a set of 6, and they're by the brand Lana Lana. And since they're clear, I think it would be really cute if you wanted to deco the cover of each of these. And as you guys can see, each of these comes with a tab on the side. So for these tabs, you can actually use this next product, which are these index stickers. So these come in a set of 2, and they're also by the brand Lana Lana. By the way, for the index stickers, it comes in 2 different colors. So one side is a green shade, and the other side is more so a purpley blue kind of shade. So the first 2 columns on here are for each month. The third one is for different categories. So there's an idea sticker, a goal sticker, and a journal sticker, for example. And then the last column is left blank, so you can write in your own categories. So next up are these pastel pink A5 index sheets. So these also come in a set of 6, and they're by the brand Paperian. And they have the same setup as the clear ones. However, these are made of paper, so you can either write directly on these tabs, or you can use the index stickers if you want. So now I wanted to share 2 sets of half diary refills that you can use in your A5 6-ring binder. So first up are these line refills you can use for quick notes, or you can use it as a study guide since they're similar to the size of index cards. So these come in a set of 30, and they're also double-sided. And since it's a half diary refill, you can either place these on the top 3 binder rings or on the bottom 3 binder rings in your A5 binder. It just depends on your preference. And similar to this one is the Project Plan half diary refill. So this one you can use for different things, such as writing out ideas or planning out different projects. Even using these for vocabulary study might be a great idea, or any charts that you need to make. And these also come in a set of 30 and are double-sided as well. So feel free to use these with or as standalone binder sheets for study or different homework things in your A5 6-ring binder. So now I wanted to share these A6 wide monthly refills that you can use for planning. And these are by the brand Editor, and they include a monthly goals section, and they also include a tracker. So these could potentially be really great for school planning or just planning in general. Also, this refill set has 16 sheets, but they're double-sided, so you do get 32 pages in total. So let me know down in the comments below which binder refills seem most helpful for you for school. And to see any more 6-ring binder videos, be sure to check out my 6-ring binder playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next video.